So Toya and I are doing a little DIY project in our office. We're finally getting it together. I gotta go to the door. The furniture people are here. Really busy. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back. Had to let the delivery people in. This is our mirror from the wedding. Say hi, babe. My baby working hard. This is what we have going on. What's not working out, babe? Are you serious? Oh boy, she says not drilling all over that. So anyway, hopefully she get that together. This is a sneak peek at our vision boards. We're gonna set up in the office as well. So yeah, I got a desk that'll be here in the second level foyer. Finally found a picture that matched the flow of the decor in our home. And a media cabinet so that she can stop complaining about she don't have enough space for her clothes. It was the last piece of our bedroom furniture. So I'm kind of excited about that. And we are about 90% done with furnishing our house. So stay tuned. See you guys in the next clip. Let me make sure that these delivery people don't screw up. So what I did is, real quick, we're changing the dining room table. We got a new dining room table. I got a wine cabinet for downstairs foyer. Sorry, y'all, my hair look crazy. We have a desk for Toya in the office because she didn't want to share a desk. My my darling wife is very particular at times. At times, not all the time, but at times. So yeah, anyway, she didn't want to share her desk. She wanted her own desk, but for now, she has a pink chair because I was trying to stay or work around our wedding colors minus the navy blue. You just may see navy blue decor in there, not necessarily huge pieces. When you guys see the video, you'll see that our wedding colors was rose gold, ivory, navy blue, and a blush, very blush pink. Pink is my favorite color, of course. Toya's was purple, but she fell in love with the navy blue, so that's why we ended up going for navy blue. And it also, thanks to her, she allowed it. She fell in love with the navy blue. We also chose that to represent my mom, because that was my mother. My mom is deceased. That's her favorite color, and that was my way of incorporating something about her in the wedding. So stay tuned. Let me make sure that these people put my dining room table together properly and my wine cabinet. And then I'll come back upstairs and show you what progress Toya made. She said that she's having some issues with the drill. Hopefully she can figure it out. Y'all know the peek of her. That's her. We're trying to bring it together. Stay tuned. Media cabinet, guys, so she can finally stop complaining about not having no drawers. So it's pretty neat. You hit this thing down here and voila, and then it just turns back into a drawer. We won't use this side so she can have her piece in her drawer. So yeah, that's her media cabinet slash drawer. Guys, we are finally done. Well, we're done for tonight. I am so tired. We got a little sneak peek. We're not, all the big pieces are up, but we haven't completed, or we haven't finished hanging up the pictures. We still have some kind of off-guard shots from our wedding, pictures from our wedding that we want to incorporate in our office. We're gonna leave the formal photos for downstairs and kind of hang those pictures that show more of our personality or personalities in here. So I am dirt tired. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but my wife is downstairs vacuuming the dining room. We're tired. I have to be to work at 4:30 in the morning. She's gonna finish in the garage, and then when I come home tomorrow, I'm gonna finish one more DIY project which I'm gonna paint some frames, rose gold, I think. And on my way home, I'll stop and have the pictures that whatever we choose tonight. There's a lot. We have over 1,000 wedding photos that we absolutely love. That does not even include our professional photos. This is just from a rookie photographer, amateur photographer. We hired my sister's in-law. He did a great job, and there's a lot of pretty good personality pics that we want. And we just have to choose 6, I believe. We're gonna do probably 3 on each side behind our desk so that that space is not so empty and, you know, bland looking. So yeah, anyway, I'm tired. I have to go shower so I can get ready for work tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in, watching this video. I will keep you guys posted and definitely do a reveal of the office and show you what we did with our vision boards where we can see them. My wife was not necessarily in agreement with me where she wanted it like behind our desk, but I thought that if we both can see both vision boards at the same time, that way we can kind of encourage one another on what it is we have planned for 2019 and where we want for our future. Yeah, and I'm gonna show y'all this. Y'all can see that those are some painting slip pictures that we did. We really enjoyed those, so we wanted to work that in the room. Doesn't necessarily match, which is why the vision boards and those pictures are on the opposite side of our office space, so it doesn't interrupt the flow or our theme that we're working with. But again, we love those pieces. We can't trash them, so we decided to use them in the office. So yeah, this is Kelly, one half of Kelly and Toya. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I'm sorry I'm kind of like, I am super tired. I have to shower, get ready for work tomorrow, and pick up where we left off when I get home. Love you all. Live life boldly. Peace.